Claire Saunders from What's New Electronics on the last day of Southern Manufacturing and Electronics, and I've been joined by Paul Gavin from Ars Technology. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Yeah, a lot better than the weather.
How's it gone for you guys? Have you found it?
It's been a great show. Yeah, it's great. It attracts a lot of different people into it. They can come here. They can see lots of different suppliers and pick up new knowledge. And yeah, it's great networking.
Yeah. Have you seen a sort of a trend in sort of people who've been coming? Is it specific sectors? I've seen a lot of young people around, which is encouraging.
Yeah, no, it's great. I mean, yeah, you get the usual sets of engineers and buyers and stuff coming around, but it's really encouraging to see a lot of students and younger people coming around and asking questions and trying to discover things about the industry that hopefully will influence a great career in electronics.
Yeah, in the future. Yeah. And I'm going to ask you a little bit more about business in a minute and what makes you unique. But as we're sort of talking about younger people, I know that you're very passionate about apprenticeships and sort of the STEM situation that we've got in the UK.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a big part of our company's future. It's a big part of our industry's future. And we need to pass the knowledge on because at some point we all want to retire too. So
Tell me about it.
so yeah, for us it's a key part of who we are, and we have 4 apprentices currently in different areas of the business, in the engineering areas, and we're looking for more to take on, and hopefully that's great for the industry too, because they'll find their path and go into other companies and hopefully spread the knowledge.
Exactly, that's great, yeah. And as I mentioned, Ars Technology is a little bit different in how you operate. Can you tell me a little bit more about the business and what makes you unique?
Yeah, it's a good question. Yeah, we specialise in prototyping, so for us it's low volume, fast turnaround. About 80% of what we build has never been built before.
Okay.
So for us it's testing the data and making sure something's buildable and repeatable and not essentially for its purpose.
Okay.
And we have flexibility to build at any time, so people can literally walk through the door with a kit, and we have to be ready to go. So we have to be very flexible and agile, and very accurate, and attention to detail as well. It's really important, and we try and get that into the apprentices as well, and see how that spreads and how they grow, and it just all fits together
That's
perfectly.
really good, yeah. And do you see specific trends in sort of the stuff that's coming in to be built? Is there a lot of innovation still in the UK? Because I think we don't talk about what we've got here enough.
Yeah, I think one of the bad things about this industry, but it is its biggest opportunity, which is we hide our light under a bushel, and I don't think we do enough to promote what great innovation and design we do here. And there tends to be fashions that come and go. We've seen medical in the past few years, security and defence in recent years.
Yeah.
But there's lots of talent out there, and we've got to encourage that and do more to bring people in and shout about what we do. And we've got a shortage of 25,000 engineers in this country if we want to keep a cutting edge on design, and we need to do more to promote our industry and the great work that everybody does in it to create new opportunities and bring new people in.
Exactly, great stuff. Well, I know you're joining us later for our panel discussion to talk about this further, but thank you very much for joining us. I hope the rest of the day is good for you. Hopefully the weather improves when we all have to leave, but I don't think it's going to. And we'll catch up with you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Claire.
Cheers.
Thank you.